Hello, I'm making sweet and spicy meatballs today, and I will let you know what the ingredients are. You're going to need a bowl, a jar of jam, grape or apricot, some chili sauce. It can be your store brand, or it can be this nice brand. And just so you know, I don't get paid to endorse any of these products that I use, and I don't work for the company. So in the bowl, add a jar of chili sauce. Now I'm making double batch, so there's 2 jars, and these are about 14-ounce jars. Give or take a couple ounces, it doesn't matter, you're going to taste it anyway. You can use grape jelly or apricot jam, or even a can of jellied cranberry sauce. Yes, that works too, because it's sweet like jam. Then you're going to mix it really well. Now this is the sauce, and after you make the meatballs, you're going to put the sauce in the meatballs in a crock pot. Now that's the sauce. Now for my meat mixture, let me just adjust this camera. I have 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 3 eggs, and a pound of ground pork. Then you're going to mix that all up. Once it's all mixed up, you can add some of the red bell pepper in it, minced, which I did do, about 2 tablespoons or so. You're going to take some Thai basil. Now this is a very fragrant basil. The flowers have the most potent taste. Same with regular basil. And I grow this Thai basil. Put the flowers and the leaves in to the mixture. Now Thai basil has a licorice type smell and a licorice type scent. Makes it very nice flavored. Then you're going to mix it in again, and yes, my hands are clean. I like to add it last. So I have 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of ground pork, no salt, no pepper, because it's in the sauce, all of those flavors. Then you're going to take a little cookie scoop, you know, the smallest one you have, and you're going to bake it on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Now the reason why I don't put foil on it is because foil sticks to the meatballs. It really does. So you have about a scoop. Let's make it pretty. And you just fill up the tray. They don't have to be 2 inches apart because they're going to shrink in size. When you have this all filled up, you're going to put it in the oven and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the size of your little balls. Now there are bigger sizes, but these are for cocktails. So, you know, bite size. Put it in the oven for 400 degrees, 20 to 25 minutes. Check at 20 minutes. So this recipe approximately makes 99. It could make 100 cocktail size meatballs. These were in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. I do think I'm going to add 7/8 cup of water that has been put into the chili bottles, rinsed out, put into the cup, and put some water into your jam jar, rinse that out with it, and put it in, and I got 7/8 of a cup. It's going to go into this bowl, which I had 2 bottles of chili sauce and a half a jar of apricot jam. And then after you mix it, you put this in a crock pot with your meatballs. Now I'm going to taste this. This is 20 minutes, what it looks like. It's well done. And I do have the little red peppers that went into it. So let me just put a little sauce in here and taste it. Mmm. That's so good. So this is nice for an appetizer for any kind of party. And we're having a party tonight. So thank you for watching. The recipe will be in the More box below the title.